If you're over 60 and you wake up tired, foggy, unrefreshed, not quite yourself, please hear this clearly. Insomnia is not one single problem with one single fix. Pain, medications, stress, sleep apnea, restless legs, mood, nighttime urination, any of these can play a role. But there is one thing we can say responsibly. Good sleep supports brain health, and the science behind that is genuinely interesting. Researchers have described a brain fluid transport pathway, often called the glymphatic system, that may help move and clear certain waste products. This idea comes strongly from animal studies, and in humans we mostly study it indirectly with MRI. It's promising, but it's not a magic drain you can unclog in one night. You may hear a popular claim that the brain shrinks by 60% in deep sleep. The more accurate statement is this. In mice, the space between cells increased by about 60% during sleep or anesthesia, and that was linked to more fluid exchange. That does not mean plaques are washed out overnight, and it doesn't guarantee dementia prevention. So what can we do at home, safely, as a general routine? We focus on two evidence-aligned goals: calm the nervous system and reduce discomfort that keeps you awake. And one more important point: if insomnia is chronic, 3 months or longer, first-line treatment is CBT for insomnia, called CBT-I. It is not a pill. It is a structured method that works. Ask your clinician about it. Safety first. Before we do anything, choose a stable chair with a backrest or sit well back on the bed with your feet supported. Good lighting, no clutter on the floor. If you are prone to dizziness or falls, do not do this standing and consider having someone nearby. Stop immediately if you get chest pain, faintness, spinning vertigo, a new severe headache, new neck pain or numbness or weakness. Exercise. Gentle neck comfort. Sit tall. Let your shoulders drop. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds and exhale slowly for 6 seconds. Now, without pulling, gently lengthen the back of your neck as if making a double chin by just a few millimeters. Hold 2 seconds. Release. Repeat 5 times. This is not about pinching nerves. It's simply a safe way to reduce tension. Exercise 2. Upper back mobility. Keep your hips stable. Cross your arms lightly over your chest. Turn your rib cage a small amount to the left, pain-free, then back to center. Turn a small amount to the right, then center. Do 6 slow repetitions total. If you have osteoporosis or a history of spinal fracture, keep the movement very small and avoid forceful twisting. Exercise 3. Hip relaxation without impact. Now lie on your back with a pillow under your knees. Take 2 slow breaths. On the exhale, gently squeeze your glutes for 3 seconds, then relax. Repeat 5 times. This can reduce front of hip tension without impact or strain. Comfortable positioning. Many people sleep well on their side. In animal research, side lying was linked to better waste transport than some other positions, but we do not treat that as a proven dementia prevention technique in humans. Choose what is comfortable and safe for your body. If you sleep on your side, keep your neck neutral, neither bent down nor pushed up, and place a pillow between your knees to reduce hip and back strain. When to talk to a clinician. If you snore loudly, stop breathing in sleep, wake with headaches, feel excessive daytime sleepiness, or insomnia persists beyond a few weeks, please discuss evaluation and CBT-I with a clinician. That pathway is evidence-based and safer than chasing instant fixes. Tonight, your target is simple: comfort, calm breathing, and a stable sleep setup. That is how we respect the science, respect uncertainty, and protect seniors from harm.